Can't stop coughing, or does your chest feel heavy? Stop relying on syrups that make you drowsy. Here are the top natural foods to clear your respiratory system fast. First, the infection fighters: ginger, garlic, and turmeric. We mention these a lot because they work. They are powerful antivirals that kill the bacteria causing congestion. Next, rosemary and peppermint. These aren't just for smell. The menthol in peppermint acts as a natural decongestant, physically opening up your airways so you can breathe. And finally, honey. It is nature's cough syrup. It coats the throat to stop irritation immediately, and it boosts your immune system while doing it. Next time you feel a cold coming on, make a tea with these ingredients instead of running to the pharmacy.